We're back at McCawley Periodontics. I'm joined by Dr. McCawley, and today we're talking about pigmentation of your gums and how you can even it out. Well, when I say you, I mean really Dr. McCawley can even it out for you. So, Doc, tell me about it.
Well, there's people that come in and they've got a lot of pigment around their gums. And a lot of times it's just physiologic pigment, and what that means is it's naturally there. It's just something where genetically you have a lot of pigment in your gums. But there's some people that don't like that because, again, the gums are kind of the frame of the teeth.
Yeah.
And when you've got this kind of patchy, dark blotches around your gums there, a lot of people don't find that aesthetic. So we do have options to treat that.
How long does this process take?
This one is fairly quick. Again, this is a procedure that takes, maybe an hour or so to do. And after that, I show you a mirror and I say, hey, how do you like it? And you're feeling fairly normal within a few days.
Wow.
Yeah.
Incredible. Is there anything that people need to know before doing this?
I mean, as far as what they need to know, it's just the pigments, because it's physiologic, it can come back over time, but it takes years. I mean, we're talking 5-10 years to have a little bit coming back. So occasionally you may need a touch up here and there, but for the most part, it sticks around for a decade or longer.
Great. And if people are looking at this right now and thinking to themselves, you know what, that might be me, I want to learn more, how can they?
Well, a great place to start is McCawley.com. So that we have a lot of before and afters. We've got a lot of information on different things like this. And also they can visit us on Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube's a great place to start too.
Great. And one last thing before I let you go, is this something that somebody needs to be concerned for their health, or is this clearly cosmetic?
This is mostly cosmetic. So, every so often you've got different things that get dark there. Those, again, we can always biopsy things if it looks suspicious, like, melanin, melanomas. Occasionally you can get different weird things like that, but this is just something where, again, it's a quick, easy procedure, and patients are back to normal very, very quickly with this. So it's something where you don't have to worry too much about it. It's easy for you.
Great.
All right.
Doc, thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.
You got it.